PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning offers professional furnace installation Glen Mills, Pennsylvania services designed to keep your home warm, efficient, and comfortable. Their experienced HVAC technicians help you choose the right furnace for your space, ensuring proper sizing, energy efficiency, and reliable performance. From removing old equipment to completing precise installations, every step is handled with care and attention to detail. A new furnace can lower energy bills, improve indoor air quality, and provide consistent heating throughout the winter. Homeowners trust PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning for dependable furnace installation. Glen Mills, Pennsylvania solutions. Call us today. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a furnace installation near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. Do you offer affordable furnace installation in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania? PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning provides competitive pricing and transparent estimates for furnace installation. Their goal is to deliver high-quality heating solutions that fit your budget without sacrificing workmanship or system reliability. What types of systems are available for furnace installation in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania? PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning offers furnace installation for gas, electric, and high-efficiency furnaces. Their experts help homeowners choose systems based on home size, energy goals, and budget to maximize comfort and cost savings. What is your service office for furnace installation? Glen Mills, Pennsylvania? Our local furnace installation Glen Mills, Pennsylvania office has served Glen Mills, Hocopson, Chadds Ford, Garnet Valley, Boothwyn, Marcus Hook, Concordville, Kennett Square, Thornton, Chester Township, Crosslands, Village Green, Ogden, Aston Mills, Auburn, Mendenhall, Longwood, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 53 West Baltimore Pike number 201 Glen Mills, Pennsylvania 19342. Our phone number is 610-424-6273. Visit our website, https://pjmashvats.com/air duct cleaning services Glen Mills/